everybody, it's John D with JDTV, and here we are. We're on day 5 of our house follow. And when I showed you on the last video about the footers, we talked about how we had to bring a section of the building, we had to raise the footers up or put subwalls in because of the grade of the land. So you can see we did get our subwalls in. They're actually an extension of the footer, again, brought up to the level that we want to be the bottom of our walls for our basement. So you can see the original footers out there that I talked about, that would be the grade of all the footers, and now we extended these that were downhill in line with those. Additionally, we had those piers poured. We had to bring a couple of them up. We can only pour so much at a time. So you can see all those piers are even with the top of the footer height. Last week when I showed you the footers, we showed the little keyway in the footer, which helps keep the walls from kicking out. And I did mention that they can either put a keyway in or they can use rebar stickers. On the subwall, because they had panels up and they poured concrete in, they chose to use the rebar stickers. So you can see, and we have, it's number 4 is the size of rebar every 2 feet. So when they put the new wall panels up, that rebar will help prevent those walls from kicking in or out. So next, we have to backfill this whole area before we can set our wall panels. So we have quite a bit, probably about 60 loads of dirt. We're going to come in, we're going to fill in the inside and around the outside, and then from there we can move on to setting our wall panels. Again, this is a special circumstance because of the grade, so I'm sure you guys are going to be excited to see the wall panels. So we'll catch back up with you again in a couple days here, and we'll take a look and see what we have. Hope you have a great day.